Sneak peek of the digital roster management. Today, we're going to look at some new volunteer portal features that will be arriving soon. The new features will enable the driver safety course and roster management process to be easier to use and a more powerful tool for volunteers as they manage their courses. The features that we are adding come directly from feedback that we've heard from staff, volunteers, and hosts about their experiences using the system and ways that it could be easier and more helpful. It also fits into the overall design upgrades that AARP has been implementing into the volunteer portal to better leverage Salesforce and the data available for its users. In this process, we've collected feedback from volunteers. What are your pain points? How can the system better serve you? We've updated features. How can we use the newest technology available through Salesforce to improve your experience? We will be testing out some enhancements in a pilot to get real-world feedback, and then see how those features are best helping the users. Related to roster upgrades, we have added some great new features to help make management easier, including a one-stop shop for adding participants to your courses, inline editing, participant information, easier transfer and course search features, and payment information management. But let's not just talk about them. Let's see some of these tools and new features in action. From the new driver safety courses page, I can filter and I'll say, let's look at courses that are my courses and courses that are active. And then when I scroll down, I can see a list of those courses that are available to me. I can find their course IDs, their start dates, where they're located, section, region, zone, and then also max and current registered participants. Let's say we want to look at this course that's happening on the 25th. If I want to look at the students who've already enrolled for this course, I just click the Manage button. So now I have the whole roster for this course in one easy place. And I can also manipulate it here in this same exact place. I see John Duncan here. I have his phone number. I have his email. I can also choose, maybe he already paid me in person, so paid instructor, and I can just write in line how much he's paid me. And now that's right there. John is also attached to a group, and so I know that there's a group leader that he's attached to. Right here in the page, I can choose the group leader. The group leaders will come from the other people who are participants in this course. So let's say he's coming in with Arthur Curry. Maybe there's another student who has now registered for this course but didn't do it online, and so I have to add them in manually. Now that's something that's easy for me to do here as well. So I just click Add New Participant to Roster, and I scroll down and I can see that there's been a new line added here. So I'll put in his first name, his last name, and his phone number. I can say maybe he's going to pay me at the course, and for now let's say that he's not attached to a group leader. And it's that easy. I can just write it in, right in line, same as if I was there and I was doing it with paper in person. I hit save, and now his information will be saved to this course and I can always go back and reference it later. Other things that I can now do on this page, let's say Clark Kent has decided that he would like to move to another course. Now it's very easy to do that right here from this roster management screen. If I click transfer, I'm shown this list of other courses that are nearby. I can also search by maximum distance. So let's say he lives nearby, but he can't do that class at that time. So I can say, all right, well, show me other courses that are within 100 miles. And here goes another course on the 27th that I can select and move him over to. Am I sure I want to move him there? Yes. And there you go. So now he's been moved over to that course. Everything happens right here in the screen. It's all pretty intuitive. You can write right in line. I can make edits to people's names. And then when I'm done, I just hit save. And everything's there, all in one-stop shop. This is also accessible by hosts and other instructors, so if you're working together in a team, everyone has the same information, all up to date at the same time.